Hey, Nick.
Hey, how are you?
Good, man. How are you doing?
Good to meet you. Do you mind being the sous chef?
I'm happy to be your sous chef.
You would be? Okay,
yeah.
okay.
I'm going to need some direction.
I'm actually going to have you peel some pears.
Okay.
Peel from the top down.
Top down.
Watch your fingers.
Okay.
I'm curious, for someone who has no idea what an ETF is, how would you explain it in the most basic way possible?
Yeah, so an exchange-traded fund, or an ETF, it gives you access to a bunch of different companies under one ticker.
Okay, got it.
In this case, Invesco QQQ ETF, it gives you access to 100 companies that are listed on the NASDAQ exchange.
Okay.
So it's just a really easy way for an investor to introduce some diversification into the portfolio. So what about you? Talk to me about like kind of, being a celebrity chef. I don't know if I've ever met somebody with as many Guinness World Records as you. So,
yeah.
This is an exciting day for me.
I'm a chef and a digital content creator. Really, it just means you can make whatever video you want. For me, as long as it relates to food and cooking in some way, then it's fair game. So believe it or not, I actually started investing when I started out college, and I actually bought QQQ.
It's very cool that you bought that in college, because like what I try to tell people is it too early to start investing? When's the perfect time to start investing?
Yep. Keep peeling, please. Keep peeling. Keep peeling.
The answer is there is no perfect time to start investing, and like I always just say, just start.
You guys really, it seems, do all the work, right?
Yeah.
We just get to buy the ticker, and that's about it.
And that's sort of like one of the beautiful things about ETFs. You don't necessarily need to be the one that's picking the stocks or kind of doing a lot of the heavy lifting, right? The fund itself will do that for you.
Which is amazing, yeah.
I think I just broke a world record for slowest pear peeler.
See, I told you, you just never know when you might break a world record.
Before investing, consider the fund's investment objectives, risks, charges, and expenses. Visit Invesco.com for a prospectus with this information. Read it carefully before investing.